Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel PMS Testing Laboratory. So, as you know, I have completed a series of IS 13488, which is the emitting pipe, and now I am starting a series of IS 15351, which is the geomembrane. So, I will take clause-wise testing of IS 15351. So, let's see. Now, as per clause 5.1 of IS 15351, the clause is breaking strength before UV exposure. So, we perform this test on this universal tensile testing machine. This universal tensile testing machine is manufactured by us with the brand name MS Technology. If you are looking for this kind of machine, kindly contact us on given email ID and contact number. Now, let's see the procedure. Here, I have taken a sample of geomembrane. For testing, we required a sample size that is 100 by 200 mm. 200 is the width and 100 is the gauge length. Here I have made marking on this sample and had placed it in tensile jaw. One end of the sample we already had fixed in this lower jaw. Now we have to take this upper jaw at this level and we have to fix it. Now let's see the settings on controller. Here is the set button. Here we have to set test speed. For geomembrane, as per standard, the test speed is 20 mm per minute. So just click on the arrow and set the speed. Then here to select the load cell, here are the options. Here I have selected load cell 1. From this upward and downward arrow, you can change the load cell. Then again press set button. Here is the test type. Here you can select either tensile or compression. As we are performing tensile, so I have selected tensile. Then here you can select the unit, either it is Newton or kgf, likewise, and press enter button. Now before start, you have to tear all this value. Okay. Now here you can see we had placed sample in both jaw. Now let's start. The load had started increasing. Here you can see so after braking, the braking load is 7580 mm and elongation is 18 mm. So this is how we can check the tensile strength of geomembrane. Thank you.